Hello everyone. Many of you have asked me what I buy to help me fertilize my garden, foliar feeding and in the ground, other than the homemade recipe that I use with my own seaweed concoction that I make. I have a video of that in the past, but I'm going to show you right now what I use in my tank sprayer when I spray my leaves. So first is Alaska fish fertilizer. So it's going to smell, so I don't use as much as this in the mixture, but I do use this. So I use half of whatever the recommendation is. A good hand soap, mild hand soap, and it's not OMRI listed, but I use Kellogg's Organic Plus fish and kelp fertilizer with molasses. So these are the three things I put into my tank sprayer. See you later.